Hello traders, Today we want to talk about how to combine stochastic patterns and double bottom chart pattern part 2. This is part 2. If you have not yet watched part 1, I would like to inform you that part 1 is a completely different video in comparison to part 2. And I recommend to traders to watch the full length of this tutorial because this is another unique trading tutorial. All right, let's get started. In this video, I will talk about a specific stochastic chart pattern, a double bottom stochastic pattern, and how to trade it, which is completely different from what I have been talking about in part 1. Okay, so here we are looking for the stochastic 833. So when we are talking about stochastic patterns, one must always use which stochastic? The stochastic 833. Do not use any other setting for a stochastic when you are talking about stochastic patterns. So I have on my chart the stochastic 833, which has formed a double bottom chart pattern. This is the first low, and this is the second low. Now we have a double bottom pattern here. This is a very interesting double bottom chart pattern, which I've already mentioned to traders when the stochastic formed the first low. But before it start forming the second low, the stochastic will go up in 3 more. So here it is. There was the first low, then it went up 1, 2, 3, before coming back to form the second low. But it does not have to form. It does not have to go up 1, 2, 3. Okay. All we want to see is a double bottom stochastic pattern. I'm just highlighting the fact that this is a special double bottom chart pattern because the stochastic went up 1, 2, 3. But this is not a special condition for the double bottom stochastic pattern. All right. All we want to see is a double bottom stochastic pattern. Okay. So stochastic has formed a double bottom chart pattern. Here it is. Okay. But during that time, you can see at the time when the stochastic was forming the double bottom chart pattern, the price was going down, yes or no? So pay attention. So stochastic was forming the double bottom chart pattern at the time when the price was going down. Can you see that? So we see first the double bottom stochastic pattern in place when the price was still going down. Okay. This type of double bottom stochastic pattern is a leading indicator. A leading indicator that will allow us to forecast what is likely to take place. All right. So when we see the stochastic forming a double bottom chart pattern and the price is doing something else that is not a double bottom chart pattern, that double bottom stochastic pattern is usually a leading indicator, which can allow us to forecast that there is a high chance that very soon the price itself will form also a double bottom chart pattern. Now, I'm not saying that any time that the stochastic form a double bottom chart pattern before the price, is this indicating to us that definitely, or it is definitely true that the price will definitely form a double bottom chart pattern. I'm not saying that. All I'm saying is that when a stochastic forms a double bottom chart pattern like this and the price is doing something else, we can predict that there is a high chance that the price may also form later on a double bottom chart pattern. But this is no guarantee that the price will definitely form a double bottom chart pattern. Okay? It's very important to understand that. But if the stochastic form a double bottom chart pattern at the time when the price is doing something else, and the price confirms the double bottom chart pattern, then we have a high probability trading setup. Am I making myself clear? Okay, if there's something you do not understand, All right, put in the comment section. All right, and in due course, I will clarify it to you. Okay. So the stochastic has formed first a double bottom chart pattern while the price was doing something else. Now the price has confirmed the double bottom chart pattern by forming itself a double bottom chart pattern. So now at this point in time, when the price has confirmed the leading indicator, the double bottom stochastic pattern, now the price has confirmed the double bottom stochastic pattern by doing almost exactly the same thing. You see, it went up, you see, after it formed the first low, like the stochastic here, and then it pulls back like the stochastic did here, and then it went up like this. So after the first low, the price also went up 1, 2, 3, like the stochastic 1, 2, 3. So, but the stochastic has already revealed to us what is likely to take place. So here it is, boom, 1, 2, 3, like the stochastic itself. And then we are expecting it to do exactly the same thing, and then it pull back, forming exactly the same pattern like the stochastic. Though the stochastic was leading the price, we must wait for the price to confirm the pattern. But remember, the most important thing we are looking for is the confirmation of the double bottom chart pattern. It does not matter how the price went up before pulling back. All we are looking for, did the price confirm the stochastic double bottom chart pattern? If yes, we have a high probability training setup. But that high probability training setup is taking place right here where I'm placing my vertical orange line. So now our training setup is ready right here at the orange spot right here. That's where we have our bullish training setup. But the gorgeousness of this stochastic pattern is that it's alerting us, is helping us to have a bit of idea what is likely to take place. But it does not mean that the price will definitely confirm the pattern. The price may not confirm the pattern. But, however, if the price confirms the pattern, we have an edge and we have a higher probability bullish training setup. So here, as the price form a double bottom chart pattern, how do we know? As it retests here and start going up a bit, at least we want to see 3 candles here, you see, it went up a bit, we want a common central line. Are you with me? Are you with me? Traders that are following us understand what I'm talking about, but I'm speaking like this for new traders. See, this is the common sense trend line. Okay, now it's kaput with a bullish candlestick, the price start going up. So we are saying that, okay, now, after this candle here, this one here, all right, this one here, okay, after this candle is closed, we say, all right, the price has now confirmed the stochastic double bottom chart pattern. So here, we will give priority bullish signal, okay, in this zone, using what? A top-down trading method. Do not buy straight away because of the trading setup. Do not sell straight away because of the trading setup. Use what? A top-down trading method, or what we like to call a multiple time frame trading method. So because I'm on a daily chart like this, talking about multiple time frame trading method, the daily chart is my trading setup, the hourly time frame will be my signal time frame, and the 10-minute time frame will be my entry. If I see this on the 4-hour time frame, the 4-hour time frame will be my setup time frame, the 50-minute time frame will be my signal time frame, and the 3-minute time frame or 5-minute time frame will be my entry. If I see this on the weekly chart, this will be my weekly chart trading setup. The 4-hour time frame or 2-hour time frame will be for my signal, and the 15-minute time frame will be for my entry. If I see this on the monthly chart will be my trading setup, the daily chart for the signal, and the hourly time frame for the entry. All right. So when a trading setup is completed, as I'm showing you here, as it's completed here, a TSCWSY-S008 trader will implement a top-down trading method using a TSCWSY-S008 trading system. Go to the signal time frame and use the TST key 02 for the entry. For somebody who sees this pattern and want to day trade using a TSCW24, he or she will go to the first best time frame, waiting for clear-cut signal at the support level. Price going up, follow the channel. The price will go up following displaying high lows, high on any time frame in a rising channel, and you want to trade it on the edge of the rising channel for day trading purposes. Remember that the price does not go up in a straight line, so we are waiting for a little pullback as we are day trading. Pull back, goes up, pull back, okay, and so on. It makes sense? It is also powerful. So this is the second part of how to combine a stochastic pattern and a double bottom chart pattern. All right. In this tutorial, we are talking about a specific stochastic pattern. When a stochastic has formed first, the double bottom chart pattern, at the time when its price is doing something else. Okay. Now we will wait for the price to confirm the double bottom chart pattern, and the double bottom chart pattern will be completed when the price itself has also displayed a double bottom chart pattern right here. But the stochastic has formed first the double bottom chart pattern. Now the price has confirmed the double bottom chart pattern. After that, we will implement a top-down trading method to trade it. One can also say that there was a double bottom chart pattern here. You see, the first low was lower low, the second low was a higher low. So this is also a double bottom chart pattern. After the stochastic has formed it a double bottom chart. So here is a setup, we trade it up. Here we have again another setup in the same zone, and we trade it. It makes sense? It is also powerful. Remember that in all cases, we are using a stochastic pattern as a trading setup, and then we implement a top-down trading method to trade it like a pro without violating the trading triangle. The market first, the sector before the individual financial instrument. Okay, the heart of the trading triangle, we have what? The economy news, the fundamentals, and the market leaders. If you have any questions or suggestions, put in the comment section, and in due course, I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. In the third part of these tutorials, I will be talking again about how to combine the stochastic pattern and double bottom chart pattern, but I will be highlighting another aspect of the double bottom stochastic trading. I recommend to traders to join me in the third part of the video, where I will be talking about a specific stochastic pattern. It is essential to have a trading setup that one knows how to trade in order to achieve consistent winning trades in the financial market. We wish you the very best in your trading, and until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW24 traders, talking about how to combine stochastic pattern and double bottom chart pattern part 2. See you in part 3.